Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In previous class, we discussed the arithmetic progression and based upon that one, some example problems also we discussed. Now today class will start with the small concept that is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. That only will be denoted by capital AM. AM is nothing but arithmetic mean. What is the arithmetic mean? Here given A and B are two numbers, then we can insert a number capital A between A and B. That is nothing but can insert the number capital A between A and B. Then this A is called arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean of A and B. Capital A is called arithmetic mean of A and B. Two numbers in there, we can insert a one more number between that A and B. That inserting number is called arithmetic mean. Arithmetic progression, what common difference will be there? So I take here capital A minus A, B minus capital A. Both are equal. Why? Because arithmetic progression difference should be same. Arithmetic progression having common difference. So now if we are making simplification, this side, this one left side, A plus A is equal to A plus B. Negative will become positive. 2A is equal to A plus B. Capital A is equal to A plus B by 2. Arithmetic mean is nothing but sum of the numbers divided by 2. So this way we can find the arithmetic mean. Sum of the two numbers divided by 2. So next, one important point is there. Let A1, A2, A3, so on An are n numbers between A and B. A and B. Here only one number. Here n numbers inserting. So A comma A1, A2, A3, so on An comma B. Total number of terms how many here? These are n terms, n plus 1, n plus 2. So total n plus 2 terms. Here B is what? B is a n plus 2th term. N plus 2th term. So B is equal to formula. N plus 2th term formula. A plus n is n plus 2 minus 1 into D. B is equal to A plus n plus 1 into D. 2 minus 1 is 1 into D. So now B minus A is equal to n plus 1 into this one sending left side. And now you make the denominator. D is equal to B minus A by n plus 1. Here the n numbers between A and B are A1 is equal to which term this is? Second term. First term, second term. Second term of AP, A plus D. So D is B minus A by n plus 1. A2 is third term here. A2 is third term. So A plus 2D. A plus 2 into B minus A by n plus 1. So on an is what here? An is, this is n plus 2th term, so this is n plus 1th term. So n plus 1th term is a plus nb, a plus n into b, b minus a by n plus 1. So these are the n terms between a and b, which this formulas we use in problem solving time also. So this is the concept of arithmetic mean. Now example 8 based upon arithmetic mean. Insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24 such that the resulting sequence is an 8. You have to insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24 and the resultant sequence is arithmetic progression. So now you see here, let A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 are 6 numbers between 3 and 24. 3 and 24, I am taking 6 numbers. That is 3, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, 24 are in AP. I am taking are in AP. So what is the first term here? A equal to 3. A equal to 3. Next, B equal to 24. B is the last term. This is A, this is B, 24. And number of terms. How many number of terms is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And equal to 8. So now last term formula, nth term formula, 24 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the A value? A value is 3, n value is 8 minus 1 into D. 24 minus 3 is equal to 7D. If you are sending left side, 24 minus 3 is equal to 7D. 21 is equal to 7D. 7 3s are. So D is equal to 3. D equal to how much you got? 3. So now A1 formula just we wrote in note point. A1 is equal to A plus D. So 3 plus 3. A is 3, D is 3. So 6. A2, A plus 2D. 3 plus 2 into D is 9. A3, A plus 3D, 3 plus 3, 12. A4, A plus 4D. A4 is A plus 4D. 3 plus 4 into 3, it is 15. A5, A plus 5D. 3 plus 5 into 3 is 18. Next, A6, A plus 6D. 6 into 3, 18. Total 21. Therefore, the numbers, 6 numbers between 3 and 24 are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So this is the required answer. Now we start the exercise 9.2. Problem number 1. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. Just only odd integers we have to take. Then sum we have to make. The odd integers integers from 1 to 2001 are including, from means 1 also including. So 1, 3, 5, 7, on 2001 before what will get 9191999 2001. So now if you observe, this is in A, this is in an arithmetic progression. What is A here? 1. Common difference A is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. And nth term an is equal to, what is the nth term? 2001. Which term we don't know. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, so on. Nth term, and taking as a nth term, that is 2001. An formula a plus n minus 1 into b is equal to 2001. What is the a here? 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to 2001. To send this one right side, this multiply. 2n minus 2 is equal to 2n minus 2. Otherwise, directed, you keep it same as it is. Just I'm interchanging. 2001 minus 1. 2 into n minus 1 is equal to 2000. 2 ones are cancellation. N minus 1 is equal to 1000. N is equal to 1001. N equal to 1001. So now I will find the Sn formula, sum of n terms, sum of the odd integers asking. So Sn formula 2a plus n minus 1 into 1001 by 2 into 2a. A is 1, n is 1001 minus 1 into 1001 divided by 2. If you make the simplification, 2 plus this one 1000, 1000 into 2, 2000, 1001 divided by 2 into 2000, cancellation. What will get? 1001 into 1001. 100, 2001 will get. 100, 200 is a Sn. What is the answer? The sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001 is 100, 2001. Next, problem number 2 in exercise. Find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiple of 5. Just you observe the numbers lying between 100 and 1000, but which are multiples of 5. So you have to take 105, 110, 115, so on, 990, 995. Between asking, between means not including 100, not including 1000. So these are the numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. R in 80. A is equal to 105, B is equal to 5 and AN is equal to 995. Formula A plus n minus 1 into B is equal to 995. What is the A here? 105 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995. n minus 1 into 5, 995 minus 105. If we are making simplification, 890, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. N minus 1 is equal to 178, n is equal to 178 plus 1, that is 179. So n value we got, a value, d value, all values are there. So now I go to the sum of n natural numbers in AP formula used. So substitute n value there. 179 by 2 into 2 into 105 plus 179 minus 1 into 5. 179 by 2 into 105 into 2, 210 plus 178 into 5. 179 by 2 into 210 plus 178 into 5, just to get it here, 175 8 into 5 is 890. 179 by 2 into this value is 1100. Cancellation, 2 5s are 0, 550. 179 into 550, this value will become 98450. So this is the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000, which are multiples of 5. Which are multiples of 5 is 98450, 98,450. Next, problem number 3 in exercise. In an AP, the first term is 2. And the sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. So that 20th term is minus 112. Here one different problem, this one. You see here first term A is equal to 2. The common difference, we don't know the remaining values here. Let common difference is equal to D and take it. Therefore, the AP is first term, second term, third term, and so on. What is asking? The sum of first 5 terms. First one I am taking up to here. Sum of first 5 terms is equal to, what is the sum of first 5 terms? First term, second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term. That is nothing but how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s, 10, D, 3D, 6D, 10D. So this is the sum of first 5 terms. Next, similarly, sum of second 5 terms. Sum of next 5 terms. Similarly, 2 plus 5D plus 2 plus 6D, 2 plus, like that if you are writing, direct I'm writing 10 plus 35D. 10 plus 35D. So by given condition, sum of first 5 terms. What are the sum of first 5 terms? 10 plus 10D is equal to 1/4 of 1/4 of next 5 terms sum. So that only condition they given. So now you have to simplify this one. Send by left side. 40 plus 40D is equal to 4 into this one. Next, 10 plus 35D These total one side, constant total one side I am setting 40b minus 35b is equal to 10 minus 40 plus negative plus negative. So 5b is equal to minus 30. 5 1 5 6. B is equal to minus 6. A is equal to how much? 2. Now we have to find which term? 20th term. Therefore, 20th term A20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into B. 2 plus 19 into minus 6. D value is minus 6, A value is 2. So 2 minus 114 19 6 is 114. 2 minus 114 is minus 112. This is the 20th term. 20th term. Next, fourth problem. How many terms of AP are needed to give the sum minus 25? How many numbers, how many terms if you are sum making, the result value is minus 25. So here, n value we have to find, number of terms. Given AP, arithmetic progression, minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5, and so on. Here, A is equal to how much? Minus 6, B is equal to common difference. Second term minus first term making plus 6. We are taking LCM, minus 11 plus 12, that is 1 by 2. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Here Sn how much they given? Given Sn is equal to minus 25. So minus 25 is equal to n by 2 into 2a. A is minus 6 plus n minus 1 into b value. B value is 1 by 2. If you make the simplification here, n by 2 into minus 12 plus n minus 1 divided by 2. N by 2, take the LCM, 2. 2 into minus 12 is minus 24 plus n minus 1. Again total simplification if you are making minus 25 is equal to n by 2 as it is right. Here 2 to the 4. I write here direct 4. Next, minus 24 minus 1, minus 25. So, n minus 25. If you send left side, 4 into 25 minus 100, you will get n into n square minus 25n. N square minus 25n. Negative will become positive. If you are sending right side, it will become positive. So now n square minus 20n minus 5n plus 100. Factorization you are making here. So n take common, n minus 20 minus 5 take common, n minus 20 is equal to 0. N minus 20 take common, n minus 5 is equal to 0. N is equal to 20 or n is equal to 5. If number of terms is 5, if you are adding you will get the minus 25. If you are taking 20 terms if you are taking also, if you are making sum of 20 terms, you will get the minus 25 answer. Why? Because here different terms is there. Minus 6, minus 11 by 2 divided by 2 is there. So sum of the 20 terms also will get minus 25. Sum of of the 5 terms also will get minus 25. So this way we have to find the problems. Thank you.